At the Chimirongo market in Gasabo district, some of the traders and consumers are not wearing their face masks appropriately, while others are congested and not practicing social distance. It is no exception at the Chijambere market at Nyabugogo that was built for those that were trading by the roadside. This is in addition to the car park where passengers are supposed to stand in specific lines, which they overlook. Some residents say they are concerned about the non-compliance of some people of the COVID-19 prevention guidelines, which could be the reason people are put back into lockdown. As I see here, there's no social distancing. People are close to each other, which is a concern that this pandemic won't slow down if the guidelines aren't adhered to. The concern is that if I meet someone I don't know is sick and they infect me because of the large numbers of people present, when the cars take people, the number of those standing is high, or even those that are standing sit in places they aren't supposed to sit when the driver takes off. Some of the leaders, where very many people meet, say that despite their efforts to sensitize the public to the implementation of these regulations, there are still those who have a low opinion.
No
one enters the market without washing their hands, and we rearrange for people to work in groups. If group A works today, then group B will work tomorrow. However, some people don't comprehend this, and we tell the traders to encourage their customers to practice social distancing before they speak with them. The Ministry of Local Government says the fact that people have not yet put their minds to the effects of the pandemic on the country and ignore the directives will lead to harsh measures against anyone who violates these regulations on the pretext that the penalties are irrelevant. As it goes on, it will be necessary for us to increase the sanctions. I think some people say that staying up all night is not too harsh or 2 nights. It will be necessary for us to toughen the punishments so people fear to go beyond the guidelines. And it is necessary for all authorities and people to be involved and on the COVID-19 prevention guidelines because Rwandans know them. They know the face mask and they know the importance of social distancing, although there's still a lag in adhering to them. In public places such as markets, it is customary for traders to take turns and work in shifts during the times of the pandemic. However, even though they are few in their shifts, even these don't fully comply with the prevention guidelines, and this is also no exception in various bus stations.